Okay, welcome to the daily chess puzzle. Let's think about what's happening here. Many pieces on the board, so we need to analyze it carefully. Now, some interesting elements that we have here. I mean, we do have the bishop pointing at the king, but it's blocked by this pawn, which is very well protected. I mean, we can capture the bishop, but then white can capture back with a pawn, and again strengthen the protection of this pawn. So not much going over here. We can check the king, but it's not going to be very smart. Also, it's not going to be very smart. We can take on the bishop, but again, white can capture. The bishop is very well protected, so we don't see any major captures or checks at the moment. What we do see, and that's an important tactical motif, is that the queen is semi-trapped. What does it mean, semi-trapped? I mean, if you think about it, let's say we're going to attack the queen somehow. The queen, at the moment, if it needs to move, I mean, it's not being attacked right now, but if it needs to move, the queen does not have any squares to move to without being captured. Here it's going to be captured by the king, here by the bishop, also here by the bishop, here by the knight. What else do we have here? And here by the knight as well. So every square is covered by the black pieces. So when you see something like this, when you have especially an important piece like a queen or rook being kind of semi-trapped, right? You need to look at ideas of trying to attack that piece so you could win that piece. Now, what are ways to attack this piece? Let's analyze it for a second. I think the only way to really attack this piece is by moving the bishop to g5, attacking the queen. Now, you would say, well, this is a bit crazy because the queen will capture, easily will capture the bishop, but lo and behold, we have this amazing fork and we're going to win the queen. So what happened here? We first learned, I would say we first analyze the position and realize that this queen is semi-trapped. And if we can potentially attack it, we might capture it. And also, we seen a very important tactical motif of luring, moving a certain piece into a forkable situation. So in this case, we are forcing basically the queen that it cannot move anywhere else without being captured. So at least it's capturing a piece, or at least I think it's capturing a piece. And now we can fork the king and the queen and gain significant material. Now, another way to see it is many times when you have the knight at a forking distance from the king and other pieces, could be rook, king, queen. Okay, try to find a way and think, is it possible for me to do some tactical move which will lure a piece into a forkable situation? So you see the king here and you see the queen here, but you can say to yourself, okay, I think I can. But if the queen was here, I could probably have forked. I mean, I could have forked both the king and the queen, right? So we both have the fact that the queen is semi-trapped. We can bring the queen to the forkable square. We fork the queen and the king. The king must move, and we win the queen.